so you'll see next to your moon, there's a little piece of white tape. It might be a little further away, and that is okay. Your job is to take your little star and put it here. And get your rocket ready. And hands up, Captain Capture. And now I'm going to take the little star away, and I'm going to put the big star on the same spot. And then a teammate's going to move the rocket just a little bit. Hands up, Captain Capture. And then switch every time. Whoops, wrong button. Captain Capture, hands up. And then switch. Hands up, Captain Capture, and switch. Uh-oh, it's blurry. Why is it blurry? There you go. Captain Capture, and switch. How many times do you do this? 20 times. I'm going quick, quick, quick. Hands up, Captain Capture, switch. You're in my picture. Can you please scoot over? I lost my place. Where's the shadow of this? Oh, the shadow's not turned on. All right, that's okay. So I'm going to press stop and see how it looks so far. And it's pretty cool. It's too fast, so I need to slow it down a little bit. But that's a good start. There you go. So remember, use that little white dot as your mark. And then big star picture, little star capture. Big star capture, little star capture. Okay?